You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name of Greek origin, which is essentially Greek for George. It comes from the word earth and the word work. The Greek pronunciation, Georgios. Essentially, you can replace the G's with Y's, okay? Don't ask me why, that's Greek. Georgios. Georgios. Therefore, in English, you can say it as Georgios. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.